What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I got Caleb from Hands On Detailing Florida coming by to detail the C8. I'm hoping he can give us a bunch of tips and tricks on how to take care of our cars. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the X1 pulled out of the garage, get the Corvette put in the middle of it. I'm gonna do a walk around, get you guys a detailed before so we can see how he does after. All right, let's get a detailed walk around. I do feel a little bad because I just went to Naples to shoot Supercar Swap episode 3 with the Supra. So she's got some bugs. I think the mirrors, I'm not even gonna tell them to bother with because I'm gonna do these black. But let's check out the front end here. Got some bugs on there. Ooh, this part looks a little gnarly. That looks nasty. Headlights, a lot of bugs all over them. Our wheels are nice and dirty, lots of brake dust. Along the side, we got a bunch of marks there, a bunch of marks all over the door. We still have a few tire marks on the car from the track day. Our exhaust tips are a little gnarly. Let's see, that'll be our test to see if he catches those little nooks and crannies. The rear end of the car is not too bad at all. Again, just the wheels, lots of brake dust. Over on the passenger on the bottom, it's pretty dirty. This is weird. Like a, I don't know what that is, like a big powdery substance along the side here too. That looks like it just comes right off though, so no big deal. I don't know if you guys can see, but on the windshield, it's pretty plastered with bugs and tire marks and all kinds of stuff, so that'll be another really good test to see if he cleans all that up. Let's check out the interior. Guys, don't judge me. The car is really dirty. I stay pretty freaking busy 24/7 with all these videos and whatnot, but carpet's really dirty, seats are dirty. I'm sure the steering wheel's got 16,000 miles on it, so that could probably use a cleaning. Really curious how he cleans this. Our cup holder's looking a bit rough, a little dirty. We got lots of dust everywhere for him. Oh man, I feel really, wow, that is terrible. Kind of a shame, guys. Car gets a lot of use, guys. A lot of use, but today she'll be clean. And this one's for you, Michael. Hopefully that back window gets nice and clean for us, man. All right, well, you guys have seen before. He's gonna be here in about 30 minutes and then we'll see what he can do. All right, guys, Caleb just pulled up from Hands On Detailing Central Florida. He's setting up his Sun Joe and everything. What's up, Caleb? How are you, man?
Man, good.
Appreciate
nice
you coming by.
Yeah, they were detailing your C8, man.
Dude, I cannot wait to see what you can do, man. This is really cool. You got a Sun Joe?
Yes, sir.
So it shoots out a huge spray foam cannon kind of thing?
Yes, sir, everything, man. I got the extension, the foam cannon, everything is gonna make it look real nice.
Super excited to see what you can do, man. If you guys live in Central Florida and need your car detailed, go ahead and hit up Caleb. I'll have his Instagram in the description below. DM him, he'll set up an appointment for you guys and come out and clean your car. How long have you been doing it for?
I've been doing it for 3 years now.
Yeah?
Roughly around 3 years.
You loving it?
Man, ever since I got my car, I've been in the car.
Uh-huh.
I can't stop it now, man.
Ever since you got what car?
Ever since I got my first car.
Oh, okay.
At first, I wasn't into cars like that.
Uh-huh.
Now, ever since I've been detailing, I've been super into cars.
Yeah.
My WRX now.
Do you? Nice, dude. What do you do with it? Do you do any racing or anything like that?
No, I can't do that with the Supras, man. You do one wrong thing and it blowing up.
Really?
I got it and it blew up first week, so.
Oh no! You got it, are you fixing it back up or is it?
Yeah, we put a JDM motor in it, so it's good right now.
Very
I gotta
cool.
get it tuned and everything like that. Print for paint videos on my YouTube, so.
Very cool. Oh yeah, you have a YouTube channel as well.
Yeah, The Life of Caleb.
The Life of Caleb. I'll put that in the description below as well. Oh, that's cool. That is awesome. So what does that do? Just soaks it in and lets it just like kill all the brake dust?
Cleaner, so yeah, it'll help melt the brake dust and make it easier for me when I go with my brushes.
Oh, that's awesome.
So first I clean the tires. Get all that old tire shine off.
Uh-huh. I don't even know if I had any tire shine on there. I'm so bad at detailing my cars. Oh, a little paintbrush action. You always see these videos on YouTube and they're using little brushes and stuff.
Yeah.
It actually makes sense because you get all those little nooks and crannies, huh? Yeah, because when you're washing it with like a rag or whatever, it's just so hard to get in those tiny little corners all the time.
Sometimes you need a rag because this is just not strong enough. So yeah, for like outside, I usually use like a rag or a wash mitt.
Gotcha.
Scratch it up. And this is a good layer of lubricity, this soap I use, so it won't scratch anything up.
Ah, very safe soap. Very cool. Then you go in with a little hand wash. It's gonna be the cleanest those wheels have ever been. Dang, that looks so much better, dude. That is literally the cleanest that has ever been. It looks so good, man. We just got her washed up, put her in the garage. Now he's doing some type of wax. You want to tell him about it?
So yeah, this is PNS bead maker. So I use it as a drying aid first, so I don't scratch up the car when I'm drying the car, and I'll finish off, and it needs like a nice shiny feel. Feel that real quick?
Yeah. Woo! That is slippery. Looks nice.
So yeah, so it takes 7 hours to cure. So once it hits 7 hours, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be the best wax probably ever felt.
Really? That is awesome, man. So try to leave it in the garage for about 7 hours, or?
Yeah, I mean you can drive it around. It just takes 7 hours to cure, like fully, because it bonds with the clear coat with paint. So I'm sure it don't have the same cure time as wrap, but like in 4 hours it'll probably be the best it can be.
That's awesome, man. Woo! She is looking good. Look how sparkly that front end is. Oh man, I cannot wait to get this thing all done. All right, guys, we just got the car pulled out. Caleb wants to get it out in the sun to check for any imperfections in the detail. But guys, look at that. Holy cow, that's literally the brightest I've ever seen that car. It's so clean. And he waxed it so it like has an extra shine. Like, that is beautiful, bro.
Thank you.
Dude, thank you. Holy cow. That looks amazing. The wheels have never, ever, ever been this clean. Oh my God, everything's just so perfect. Guys, it looks phenomenal. I see this car every day, but like, it just looks so different right now. I love it. Oh dude, it pops so good in the sun. It kind of adds like an extra, like almost like an extra like layer of gloss. It's so shiny. Michael, check out our back window, bro. You can see through, you can see the steering wheel. Holy cow, it looks so good. He even cleaned up all the black panels on the side here. So guys, this is show ready. Caleb just finished up the interior. Guys, look at how clean this thing is. My floor mats are perfectly clean. The seats are clean. Cup holder is clean. Back window is clean. Oh my God, no more dust, no more nothing. Look at this. You guys remember at the beginning of the video, all that dust? Nothing. It is literally spotless. Guys, it hasn't even, I don't even think it was this clean when I picked it up from the dealership. Let's do the test. Here we go. Woo! That is awesome, man. It looks so freaking good. Guys, if you guys need your car detailed, you live in Central Florida, hit up Caleb, Hands-On Detail in Florida. Hit him up, message him. He'll book you guys an appointment and come out. He does mobile detailing. Do you also detail at home or just mobile?
Just a lot of my ceramic coatings at home, because unless you guys have a garage out, he would have to keep it in the garage for 2 days after the ceramic coat.
Okay.
But yeah, most of the time I'll just come to you and get everything done at your house.
Mobile detailing comes right to you. Can't be better than that. Well, thank you, brother. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you guys go follow him. The link to his Instagram and YouTube channel will be in the description below. All right, guys, Caleb just took off, so we're just gonna do a little one over, check out the whole car, make sure we like it, see what we think about his detail job. Look at the mirrors, guys. I told him not even to do that, and they just came out perfect. Like, oh my God. The wheels, so good. Everything is so clean. The guy really does a good job, and he's really detailed. He looks at every single little piece. Like, let's check out the door jambs. Look at this. That, I don't even think it's ever been that clean. I don't even think it was this clean when I picked it up. That is perfectly white. Like, it's insane. Kill the interior. It's absolutely perfect. Not even one speck of dust anywhere. Our back window is nice and clean. Like, literally, he did a fantastic job. He even left us with a care gift with his cards, some mints, and some microfiber towels. This is his pricing. He goes anywhere between $60 to $350 depending on which package you want. His Instagram is Hands On Detail Florida, and his phone number, guys, 321-402-9928. These are the types of products he uses. He uses G Technic. They have ceramic coating. They have all kinds of different products that he uses. So if you guys were to get him to detail your car, this is what he would use on your car. These are the packages. And you might even get a care package. Thank you, Caleb, for coming out. Follow him, guys. Go check him out. Check him out on Instagram. Check him out on YouTube. Give him a follow, and also hit him up if you guys need a detail. Car looks fantastic. That's gonna do it for the end of the video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you guys next video. Later.